If you look at this question, students, now y is equal to x tan x by 2 is given. So what is the value of 1 plus cos x into dy by dx minus sin x? Four options are there. Simple stuff to understand. You can see that there is a dy by dx, which means you have to differentiate this. This is an explicit function, right? We have discussed this in the synopsis. Explicit function means y on one side, x on the other side. So this is nothing but u into v rule again. This is u into v rule again. So if we differentiate this with respect to x, I'll get dy divided by dx is equal to x into tan x by 2 can be written as secant squared x by 2 into 1 by 2 in 1 by 2 plus tan of x divided by 2 into 1 differentiation of u into differentiation of v plus v into differentiation of u. So I can say dy divided by dx that is equal to x divided by 2 times cos squared x divided by 2 times cos squared x by 2 plus I can say here this is nothing but sin x by 2 divided by cos x divided by 2, correct? Cos x divided by 2. So we can say here dy divided by dx that is equal to I can say here the common LCM will be 2 cos squared x divided by 2 cos squared x by 2. So I can say here this is nothing but x only plus 2 sin x by 2 times cos x by 2, right, after taking the LCM. So I can say 2 cos squared x by 2, you have to be strong with differentiation when you do these kinds of problems, dy by dx that is equal to x plus 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2, right? So now we know the formula from trigonometry. Formula of differentiation and formula of trigonometry should be strong. So can we not write 2 sin theta cos theta can be written as sin 2 theta, easy. That is this part, right? 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. And 2 cos squared theta can be written as cos 2 theta plus 1. Why? Cos 2 theta is 2 cos squared theta minus 1, right? So 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos squared theta. So I can write this part can be written as 1 plus cos of 2 into x by 2 is cos x into dy divided by dx that is equal to x plus sin 2x by 2, which is nothing but sin x. So if you look back at the question now, this sin x is brought this side. So what is your answer that we get here? We get the answer as x, which corresponds to the option number D. This is the answer to the question.